Okay, some frequently asked questions that we get about microblading. So what should you book once your color has started to fade? It's a color boost. So after you have your initial microblading appointment, which is either $415 or $375 with Olivia, then you have your 6-week follow-up, $100, and then you come back in between 1 and 5 years, depending on how well your pigment retains, and that's based upon skin type, sun exposure, which is huge. That's why I always tell everybody to wear hats or SPF 50 or higher once they're fully healed. So then from then on, you just book color boosts. So some people have to come more frequent, as far as even every year because of the sun from that yearly exposure. And then some people are very fortunate and they can go up to 4 and 5 years. So if you ever have any questions, call the studio, but hopefully you guys know, book color boosts. Thanks.